Students, welcome to Computer Studies for Class 3. This is the second video for Chapter 1, A Computer System. In this video, I am going to show some important keys in the keyboard. Means what are the functions that we can perform or we can do using some of the keys from the keyboard. For this, I am going to use a virtual keyboard called on-screen keyboard. So you can see this is the on-screen keyboard. It has the same layout as that of our keyboard in the computer. So wherever you click while typing, so you can see this one line blinking. So this is called cursor. So the place where it blinks, the typing will start from that place. So I am going to show you first of all caps lock key. So the function of caps lock key. So you can see here every alphabet means A, S, W, E, R. So every alphabet you can see in a smaller case. But if you have to write any alphabet in uppercase or in block letters, then you can activate this caps lock key. Then you can write all your alphabets in capital letters. So just click here or press your caps lock key in the keyboard. Now you can see it is now active. Now you can see all alphabets are now in uppercase. So whenever you click or press any alphabet, you can see it will follow the uppercase format. You can see here. So So whenever you have to write in capital letters anytime in document, you have to just activate this caps lock key and you can start typing. To close this, again click it or just again press this caps lock key. Now you can see all alphabets now converted into a smaller case. Now the next one key is backspace button. So backspace button is used to delete characters present in left side of the cursor. Means here cursor is present and if we press backspace key then it will delete this H then J then T like this. So I am going to click it. So now you can see if you press once it will delete one character present in the left side of the cursor. So this is the function of backspace key. Now if you want to put a space while typing, you can use this a space bar button. So if you click or press a space bar, you will get one character a space in your document. You can see a space. If I press here this button. Now the next key is shift key. So shift key is used to type these special symbols present in this row. So you can see 1, 2, 3. If I press these buttons, you can see only numbers are written in the document. But how can you or how can we write these symbols if we want? Then you have to use shift key here. So first of all you have to press this shift key. Now if you press this one, then you can see this symbols appears. So while using keyboard device, you have to press and hold this shift key and then press these number keys to add symbols. Here I am clicking this button and then I am going to click any number key for the symbol. But in case of keyboard device, you have to press and hold this shift key and then press the respective number key to add that symbol. Now the next button is delete button. So in the short DEL is also written. So here DEL stands for delete button. So delete button is also used to delete characters from your document. But it deletes character from the right side of the cursor. Backspace deletes from left side of the cursor, while delete button deletes from the right part of the cursor. So if I position this cursor here in between 4 and 5, and if I press delete button, then you can see 5 will be deleted first. If I press this button again, then 6 will be deleted. So in this way you can see delete button deletes characters from right side, while if you press backspace key it will delete characters in the left side. So these are some of the important keys in your keyboard which we use frequently while typing any document. So that's all students for this video. Thank you.